Zero-shot prompting is the form of AI interaction that we are most familiar with. In zero-shot, you provide a direct prompt without any prior examples, context, or training. The AI relies entirely on its pre-trained datasets to generate a response in turn. This technique is useful when you need to test the AI's general understanding of a topic or generate quick, straightforward answers without requiring much customization. So, how does zero-shot prompting work? Well, first, you as the users provide a task, which can just be a single instruction or question without any guiding examples. The AI then interprets the prompt, drawing on the vast amounts of data it has been trained on. Finally, the AI will generate a response based on its understanding, predicting the most relevant answers. Now let's talk about the advantages and limitations of zero-shot prompting. Well, on the positive side, this technique is highly efficient. It requires minimal input from us, the user, making it quick and accessible for anyone to utilize. Because the AI pulls from a broad knowledge base, it can generate responses on almost any topic it has been trained on. Zero-shot prompting is also a great starting point when you need a basic answer from your AI before refining the response with further prompting. Now, on the other hand, zero-shot prompting does have some limitations. Without context or guiding examples, the AI's response may be vague or a bit too generic for our liking. It might also generate outdated or incorrect information because it relies solely upon its pre-trained knowledge, which always has a limit on year or timing. Additionally, for more complex or nuanced tasks, this technique may not be the best option, as the AI may miss critical details without that additional guidance from us, the user. So considering these positives and limitations, the question is, when should you use zero-shot prompting? Well, it works best when you need quick fact-checking, basic definitions, or some initial brainstorming. For example, if you ask your AI, "What is machine learning?" the artificial intelligence will provide a general definition. If you need creative ideas, you can prompt it with, "Give me 5 blog title ideas." It can also help with simple summarization of tasks. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, "Summarize the key points of this article." While zero-shot prompting is the most accessible approach, it's rarely the most effective approach when precision or structured output is required. That's where more advanced techniques like few-shot and multi-turn prompting come into play. And in the next section, we'll explore how zero-shot prompting applies in real-world scenarios, both in business and personal use cases, before we dive in to our first advanced technique, few-shot prompting.